Attorney Hans Bremer here. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everybody who's donated to our Afghani fund on the GoFundMe page. It has been exceptionally successful, and we've been able to assist a great deal of people. I wanted to do this video as an update what's happening. We're working on a lot of Afghani advanced parole refugee cases to bring them into the United States from Afghanistan and from other countries outside of Afghanistan. While your financial contributions have been exceptionally appreciated and we're very grateful, really the hang up we're having is finding a sponsor. And it's understandable because a lot of people are worried about the financial responsibility of sponsoring a refugee. So to bring a refugee here, we have to sponsor them with what's called a Form I-134. I tell you that so you can look into it if you want and look at what the form entails and would be required for the sponsor. Many people, like I said, understand that sponsoring requires some financial ability to support the refugee if the refugee is unable to support themselves, which obviously in many cases they cannot. Now, what many people overlook is that the federal government has allowed Afghani refugees to tap into a resettlement fund, the Refugee Resettlement Fund, as soon as they get here. So really what the sponsor simply needs to be able to do is financially assist, provide anything they need that these refugees may need as far as housing, food, etc., until the refugee is approved to dip into this Refugee Resettlement Fund, which usually takes just a few weeks, maybe a month, before they're receiving the funds and the assistance that they need. So any sponsor's responsibilities are exceptionally limited, and it shouldn't harm you financially in the long term. The reason I'm telling you this is because this is the biggest hang-up we're having in bringing refugees to the United States through Bremer Law Program, through our office. We need sponsors. We have everything done. We are ready to file documents, but we're short on sponsors. So while, again, we appreciate all the financial assistance that many of you have provided, if anybody out there listening to this video is willing to sponsor an Afghan refugee anywhere in the United States, please email me in the link below or call our office, let us know, and we can talk more details if needed. But it wouldn't and shouldn't be a huge financial burden for any of the sponsors. Thanks, guys.